Good morning, everyone. It is 6:42 a.m. and I'm right out my back door, and I'm wanting to show you. See that hawk right there? There's that one. They're sitting here waiting. It hadn't been long since I fed my birds. And let me show you the other. And I'm gonna kind of cut across right up there. You see him? There's the other one. Now, look right above them. They're all waiting. Um, them hawks caused a little bit of a damper. But you can see the birds kind of coming in. But, oh, I see what it is. Look. Let me come back over here to that one. So I just saw a flock. Hold on. They're just waiting though. We'll see what they do. All right, y'all. It is 6:50 now. Right there is one hawk. There's one. He moved. And then there's a whole bunch of these grackles that come here in the morning. And they get on the power line right here. Now, hold on. I got to swing around. Trying to save my neighbor's privacy as much as I can. Hold on. I'm showing you some of the trees they sit on around me. And you'll hear the crows. They're starting to come in. And they know they're here. There's that other one sitting right there. The sun's just now starting to hit them. Absolutely gorgeous. There's woodpeckers up here and there's so many birds and all, and the squirrels are just brave right here. Look how that sun just hits them. How that's what you have your espresso with. God, that's beautiful. I mean, like, it'd be perfect if they just fly off right now. Shows those beautiful wings with the sun hitting them. But gorgeous. Look how beautiful. Wow. But look at all the grackles. Look at all of them. They're just up here waiting to come eat. They're normally right where I'm at right now. And there's that other one. It won't be long before the sun hits that one right there. But they're absolutely gorgeous. And they'll come up to the front yard up by the top pond there. And, well, there's some birds in that little shrub right there. But they'll just come and dive in the shrub and everything. It's wild. There he is at a different angle with the sun hitting him. Toward the back end of him. And let's see. That likes to come right up there and sit as well, but it's up in the front now. But I love to watch them in the morning. There you are. And the squirrels love to run along that back fence, and I have some wind chimes back there on that tree, and it sounds like they're dancing to the music. I could almost imagine them on my carousel. There's two of the crows. And there's those grackles. All right, one of the crows just flew off, but they're still there. But let's see. There's that hawk. that hawk gives no fucks. Oh, there you are. Time for breakfast.